Hi everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom on the tip of my tongue, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to be close to remembering something. The couple wanted to watch a movie, but were unsure of which one to pick. What's the name of that new one that just came out? I can't quite remember the name of it. It's on the tip of my tongue. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The party were feeling hungry, so they decided to get some takeaway food. The number for the Chinese restaurant is on the tip of my tongue. The family were watching a game show on television. Oh, I know this one. I just can't think of the name. It's on the tip of my tongue. The women were gossiping. Do you know that guy from the town that I was telling you about? I know who you're talking about. His name is on the tip of my tongue. Let's look at some more examples, this time in professional situations. The interview candidate thought she was ready to go until her nerves hit her when she walked into the building. Who are you here to see? Sorry, their name is on the tip of my tongue. The group in the office were brainstorming. I thought of a great idea yesterday. It's on the tip of my tongue. I should have written it down. Last week, the senior manager came across something that could improve the company. It would revolutionize how we do things. The name of the website is on the tip of my tongue. Where did you hear the expression, on the tip of my tongue? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.